Today I'll be sharing with you an application that we've never talked before, and I'm really excited because through this method you can actually earn over $500 to a shocking $1,000 income. Not only that, but it's completely free and it is available for both iOS and Android devices. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 different apps. The first 2 will help you earn some passive money for free because all you have to do is download those applications and install them on your device. Once done, you can begin to maximize your results and make as much money as possible. So I'll show you those 2 applications first. Then we'll proceed to the 3rd app that we've never mentioned before. And don't worry, because I will be discussing everything in parts where you can earn over $500 to $1,000. But before we proceed, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. So without further ado, let's proceed to the first application. This is called MoneySMSapp.com. And shown here is their official website. Since this is completely free, all you have to do is download this onto your device and it will allow you to make money online automatically by getting SMS created by the system and consumers. Just download it to your smartphone, create an account, and it will send you some random SMS messages that you don't have to respond to. And you'll be paid for each one you receive. To know more about how it works, you can go to this page right here. But may I remind you that this one only works for Android devices, so keep watching because the next apps that I will show you are available for both iOS and Android devices. Again, this only works for Android, so if you have an iOS device, this will not work for you. So this application is exclusive only to Android users because only Android allows you to read SMS. All you have to do now is install your app and wait to be paid. If we go right here, you can see how much money they tell you that you can make and how secure the application is. So don't worry because this app doesn't read any of your data, so they won't sneak around your private messages or use any of your data to steal information. They will only read their own text or SMS and it's completely safe. Also, I've done a lot of research on this application and people are talking about how much money they're making with it. They also love the system because it's all automated, allowing you to earn money through the app without having to do anything. They also have a fantastic recurring program where you can get 30% of the profits generated by your referrals. So if you connect your friend to this app or website and they join up and start making money, they'll want to refer another friend too and they'll both earn $200. Meanwhile, you'll get $60 from the referrals for free passively. So yes, there are a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Money SMS app. And again, all of these are completely free. You won't have to pay anything because this website is for everyone. So if you wish to know more about their system, just create an account and explore around. As you can see right here, there are some examples of how it will look inside your dashboard. And this is a referral code that you can share with your friends and family, as well as on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can even share it with various Facebook groups dedicated to generating money online. Simply inform them that they can generate passive income from this app and provide them your referral link and you will now be able to generate passive income via your referrals. If we look right here, Money SMS app is legit and they take all national matters seriously to ensure that they comply with the latest GDP or privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you may look at the proof of payments through their website, including those business ratings that you can read on this page. And as you can see, people are actually receiving money from this app. As I've said, I've done a lot of research and I can assure you that this method totally works. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video thus far. And if you found this information interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. The next app that we will be using to generate some free passive money is called Cash Magnet or CashMagnetApp.com, which you can install on your Android or smartphone. This too can only work for Android devices, but stay tuned because the last application that I'll show you is the most important above these 3, and it is accessible for both iOS and Android devices. Going back to the website, Cash Magnet allows you to generate money from your Android phone, and they pay you for every minute of that time when you do nothing. As you can see, you literally don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all of the best reward programs that you can have. What I want to show you are the websites that pays the lowest up to the highest, so you can differentiate those three yourself. With that said, Cash Magnet here has a higher payout rating than Money SMS app. But the great thing about this is through these apps, you can still proceed with your daily routine while earning money in a completely passive and autonomous manner, like sleeping, eating, exercising, reading the news, or doing your errands. So get ready to earn several times more because in only 2 months of work in Cash Magnet, you'll be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week as stated right here. If you want to learn more about Cash Magnet, how their system works, and how it can help you earn money, you can go to this page right here. Basically, when you're not using your phone, you can simply leave it and have the app open, and you will be earning money passively. Now, if you don't want to put this on your primary phone for any reason, you can still install it on your old phone or device. Now, before I show you the last app where you can potentially earn up to $700, I'll first demonstrate how to install it on an older spare phone. The app that we'll be using is the one right here, and I'll give you the name app in a second. And yes, this one can pay you up to $700 to $1,000 a year just by listening to music, and all you have to do is download it to your iPhone or Android phone. It's available both in the Apple Store and Google Play Store, and it's incredibly simple and pretty exciting because you'll get paid by simply listening to music, so if you're a music lover, you'll definitely gonna love this. You can collect points and make money by playing music through this app. All you have to do is download it, listen to music, earn points, and the more you play, the more money you'll make. So basically, you're being paid to listen to music in your leisure time. You can search and play from hundreds of thousands of songs plus your station to find your favorite music and listen to it, and it's that simple. You don't have to listen to some random song or genre from Spotify that you don't like. You can actually listen to music you enjoy and still get paid. You've probably already listened to a lot of music on a regular basis, but now you can get compensated for it. Accumulate points while playing your favorite songs, spend your points on your favorite bands, and much more. As you can see right here, this is available in many countries and you can download this app to your smartphone. Its name is Current Us. The website's name is current.us, and the logo should look like this. To find the Current app, go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for the one with this logo, and that's it. What do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoy similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos, and if you like it, please hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos.